Number one in Web 2.0 is the Edmodo. Edmodo provides teachers and students a secure place to connect and collaborate, share content and educational applications, and access homework, grades, class discussion, and notifications. Our goal is to help educators harness the power of social media to customize the classroom for each and every learner. So, in example activity for these is peer reviews and critics. Place students in a small groups and have them post their work to their group for for peer review and feedback.
The 2.0 tools that I choose is YouTube. Um, YouTube is an app where you can watch videos, news, and drama. But in learning, the purpose of YouTube is to help the student improve their listening skills and punctuation skills. On the other hand, YouTube also help teachers to focus more on student learning abilities instead of spending more things explaining complex concept and topics. So YouTube can help in learning process.
Good evening, everyone. For the Weeb 2.0, which include the Wikispace, Wikispace allows user to tailor a wiki to their specific needs, making it a great tool for a variety of applications. This isn't a great platform if you're looking to create a personal website to which you and only you will add content. That's not the point of the wiki format. Wiki is a space in the web where you can share work and ideas, pictures, and link videos and media and everything else you can think of it. Okay, in Wikispace, a Wikispace is something just like a web, a web which all persons allows to users to add, modify, or delete its content via a web browser. On a wiki, student can share work and idea, pictures and links, videos and media, and also wiki can be made public so anyone can edit the space or limited just a class or a few participants. Okay, what is the purpose of a wiki space? The purpose of a wiki space is to design specifically for use in the classroom. Wikispace is a social writing platform that also acts as a classroom management tools by keeping teachers and students organized and on task. The purpose of the Wikispace, using wikis can increase students' motivations because computers are associated with fun and games and considered to be fashionable. Use wikis in writing instructions, activities, and found that students increased their audience awareness and paid closer attention to grammatical correctness and structural coherence. Moreover, wikis allows users to keep a portfolios which ideally can serve to bridge the gap between formal instruction and informal learning. Additionally, wikis can foster learning from peers and allow anxiety virtual social environment. That is the purpose of a Wikispaces for a student. How does Wikispace information technology on education? Well, it easy access to information, easy retention of information, more storage of information, better presentation of information, teaching become more interactive, easy sharing of knowledge, and more interest in learning.
I am Jenny Bulambot. The third learning tools in Web 2.0 is Twitter. So Twitter, a social networking site launched in 2006, is undoubtedly one of the most popular social media platforms available today. So Twitter can be used to receive news, follow high-profile celebrities, or stay in touch with your friends. With 100 million daily active users. Imagine that. So, and 500 million tweets sent daily. Fortunately, Twitter is incredibly easy to use. Hence, we'll cover what Twitter is, who uses Twitter, and how you can get started on the site today. So, the sample activities for language learning is Twitter for research. The teacher will discuss with the students how they can use Twitter to do research, typing in a topic in the search box. So as I've said earlier, that Twitter can be used to receive news, follow high-profile celebrities, or stay in touch with your friends. For example, the teacher will give them a list of relevant articles and discussion groups about what topic. So in that way, Twitter can be useful for the learning process for the students.
So in Web 2.0, we have Animoto, which is an online cloud-based video creation platform. So it can be used to create videos not only from video content but also from photos. So it can turn our music, videos, and photos into a masterpiece to share with everyone. It can also develop short digital videos that include music, photos, video clips, and text, as well as share their creations electronically. So, when we say Animoto, it is a free classroom tool for educators, for teachers, and also for administrators. So, we can easily create and share videos with our class, with our parents, and beyond. So, Animoto is a free and easy to use video maker that allows for the creation and sharing of videos online. So, since it is a cloud-based and browser accessible, so it works with nearly any device. So this is a great way for teachers and students to create videos without the need for extensive chronological skills. So first in Web 3.0 is the semantic blogging. Semantic blogging provides a highly interactive way for teachers and students to convey information and show understanding. And it also promotes student voice and encourages students to feel comfortable in expressing their ideas in a safe learning environment. So, next,
With 2.3 tools that I choose is Intelligent Tutoring System or ITS. Intelligent Tutoring System or ITS is the purpose of this app or tools is to provide immediate and customized instruction or feedback to learners, usually without requiring intervention from a human teacher. And also it helps students or themselves to assist or guide them to the point which they are become independent learners and thus no longer need a tutor. No need na og teacher. So that's it.
For Web 3.0, online 3D gaming. 3D gaming is interactive computer entertainment that is graphically present in the three dimension of height, width, and depth. The addition of depth to 2D gaming enable the exploration of virtual world with more realistic presentation. Okay. On online 3D gaming, a 3D video game, a video game featuring 3D game graphics, which are compute in 3 directional dimension, which is the height, width, and depth. A stereographic videos game with a stereoscopic depth effect. How 3D online gaming is used in a games. Currently, video games have evolved from the previous 2D effects to 3D effect, which enable video game to have vivid sense like movie. At the present, the 3D video game industry has become a representative of high and new technology in the entertainment industry. What is the purpose of online 3D gaming? The purpose of online 3D gaming, after the release of Quake, the field of 3D gaming developed rapidly. Games gain increasing fidelity and additional features were added with the creation and development of graphics, which is the graphics processing units. Today, a single character model may feature tens of hundreds of thousands polygons, and scenes in game can have tens of millions. Okay, what is the uses of 3D design in gaming? Well, the 3D modifying for videos, games, and movie. We use 3D modeling technologies in almost all of industries. The graphic designers use various tools to make 3D objectives and control them in 3D space. Thus, they can create a realistic and accurate copy of any item. That is the purpose and the function of online 3D gaming.
Learning tools for 3.0 is microblogs. Now, the microblogs are concise blog posts under 300 words that can have images, links, infographics, videos, and audio clip. Although the term microblogging is relatively new, the practice is not many of us are already microblogging without being aware of it. Let us explain with an illustration. You create a video tutorial or write a research-driven white paper while posting it. You draft a crisp summary that includes the main highlights and an embedded link to the resource. That's microblogs. And it is like instant messaging and traditional blogging rolled into one. The most common content type shared via microblogs are news update, memes, event highlights, user-generated content, and infographics. So that's the purpose of microblogs.
In Web 3.0, we have 3D wikis. Using wikis in the classroom allows for a unique online experience for students. It basically allows them to exercise control. By allowing more authority over the outcome of a project or assignment, teachers can encourage students to produce content rather than just consume it. So this role reversal encourages students to truly learn from and absorb the information. So when we say wiki, it is a web page with an open editing system. So it allows users to collaborate in forming the content of a website. It also provides a simplified interface. So wikis are a powerful tool to support learning across the curriculum and an essential component in developing digital citizenship. So wiki is more than just a learning tool for students. It is also a communication tool for teachers. So we can use wiki to keep parents informed and post assignments and other class-related contents.